your ex has broken up with you, moved on, got with somebody else, and you're literally left feeling like you're in a heap on the floor. You're feeling like you can't get over it. You're never, ever, ever going to get over it. You know, this person was your person. This person was the only one for you. But I want to ask you a question, and I want you to really, really think about this. If this was your person, could they have walked away so easily? Would they have found it so easy to just move on with somebody else? Because, in all honesty, would you be able to move on with somebody else right now? If I introduce you to someone right now, would you be happy to go and meet that person? I would hazard a guess that you wouldn't, because all you can think about is your ex. And that, my darling, is how it is when you really love somebody. You don't see anybody else. So if you're with someone who's cheating on you, lying to you, you know, stepping out with other people, it's not because it's your fault. It's because they are not feeling what you are feeling. And my darling, this is the biggest question. Why would you want to be with somebody who feels like that about you? I'm going to say to you, if you had a friend that was doing this to you, you know, not being loyal to you at all, would you stay friends with them? Because again, I would hazard a guess that you wouldn't. And the reason is because you're not relying on that friend for your self-esteem, for your self-worth, and to feel something in your life that your ex is feeling. So at this stage, I wouldn't say it's your ex that you're missing. It is something that your ex is giving you that you don't give yourself. So what is it? Sit and think about it. What does your ex give you that you don't give yourself? And when you work that one out, you can work out how to give that to yourself. And ultimately, you won't be relying on your ex to love you, to want to be with you anymore. And also, don't get jealous about the person that your ex has run off with, because chances are your ex is going to treat them exactly how they treated you. So I want you also to think about 3 things about your ex that you really don't miss. And don't tell me there isn't any, because there is. Think of 3 things about your ex that you really don't miss. You know, the way that they didn't show up for you, the way that they treated you, the way that they spoke to you, anything that your ex did, anything that your ex did that stressed you out, that you really don't miss. That new person is going to have to put up with that. That new person is going to get the same version of your ex that you got. And it doesn't feel like that, does it? It feels like your ex is going to change for that person. Your ex is going to like be this miraculously amazing person for them. No, people generally don't change. I always say to people, do not date potential. Don't date someone who would be perfect if they done this, or they would be perfect if they done that. People don't change. And if they do change, they don't change for other people. They change for themselves, because ultimately they realize that their behavior affects their life. It's not because their behavior affects other people's life. So never ever date potential. If you are in a situation with somebody who literally would be perfect for you if they change this, they are not your person, my darling. And don't sit holding your breath for them to change. It's not going to happen. So I think the whole point of this video that I'm doing today is the problem your ex and how much you miss them, or do you just not like being single? Think about it. And while you're at it, click on my link on my main page, go to my email link and sign up for my free 7-day rapid email, completely free. And also my books are on there for digital downloads, and they are fabulous and a cut price. You've got this and I have got you. Remember to click follow and sign up for more, and also come on my lives. It'd be lovely to see you there.